Today we are going to see about Gmail mail tracking. In Gmail also, we can see a particular message was read, or not, like WhatsApp. Let's take a look at how it is possible. First, we need to open your Chrome browser. And then type for Chrome extension. Then, click the second link, that is, Chrome Web Store. Afterward, it will open up the page. On your right side, choose your mail in which you have to see your Gmail message, has to be read, or not. Then, in the search bar, search for mail tracking. At the very first, you will be able to see Email Tracker for Gmail. Click that, and then click Add to Chrome, and click Add the extension. Now, Mail Tracker is successfully added to the Chrome. Now, it will open up the page. Click Connect with Google and choose your preferred Gmail account. And click Allow. Then, it will be 3 plans. You select the free plan, and click Sign up for free. And, it will open a page. In that, click Go to Gmail. And finally, it will bring to your Gmail page. On right side of your Gmail page, you will be able to see the Mailtrack icon. And also there will be a message, the Mailtrack is now installed. And then, click OK. And, then click Compose and empty bar, type some Mailid, to check whether the Mailtrack is working, or not, and type something, and click Send. And now in the sent bar, you can see the 2 ticks, that one is green in color, and another one is colorless. This shows the recipient receives the message, but has not read the message you sent it. Now, click the Add Another Account, to see the recipient mail. Now, I have received the mail, from just in minutes. Open up the mail. And then go to your mail, and now you can see your 2 ticks are in green colors. Now, you can understand that the recipient has read your mail. If you like my video, please give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.